Jeep's first electric SUV is coming in 2023. Stellantis also teased the Ram 1500 EV truck, which I'm actually more interested in. No offense to Jeep, but that's like a futuristic looking Jeep. I see a little E logo on the front. I do like two-tone stuff. I like when the electric cars are doing the two-tone with like a lot of black elements.
Look at the hood.
Especially when they do the roof line in black.
Yeah.
Because it makes it fade away and makes the whole thing, especially like an SUV, look a little bit more sporty.
Like it tapers off.
Yeah.
And less chrome. There's like almost no chrome.
Yeah,
interesting.
chrome is on the way out.
Yeah.
No doubt. Yeah, chrome is on the way out.
What do you
the
think
hood.
about? What do you think about the wheels? This is like in this style. Of wheel.
I don't even know what you would call it. It's like a negative space wheel kind of thing.
Sure.
I just realized the Kia ad on the side, those look almost identical to the wheels on my Model S. I'm just looking at my Model S right now down there. They're identical.
Oh, yeah.
And it's the same color blue. So I think a lot of, it's interesting that the gas car has been inspired by the electric car. And now electric cars do seem to be going more this way, as you mentioned, more blocky on the wheels and more flat. But there's also, sometimes you have to consider aerodynamics and things like that for some of those design decisions as well. Jeep, the iconic American brand owned by Stellantis, revealed the first images of their upcoming electric SUV. Why don't they just do their SUV as a regular Jeep that just happens to be electric? Like
They do. It's called the 4xe.
Oh, okay.
I looked into it. The Jeep Wrangler 4xe.
Okay, I'm just gonna shut up. I'm gonna put my mic away.
That's cool.
I'm gonna put my
That's
mic
a good
away.
idea.
I can show you.
That's a good
I'm gonna
idea.
put my mic away because
Can
we
I
got
see it?
Will fully going now, and I didn't know if it would happen or not. Go ahead, Will. Take it away. Take it away.
Oh, yeah, people want to know your thoughts on the Defender versus the Bronco, by the way.
Defender's nice. Defender's nice.
What are we looking at? What are we looking at, Will?
So this is a hybrid.
Okay. A plug-in hybrid.
Yes.
So it's not a fully electric.
No, this electric has a really small battery. I think it's around 20 miles that you can get.
Oh.
Which I really considered because driving here,
It would
studio, I could
be
just use
enough.
electric.
You'd be electric all the
Just
time.
plug in, and then when you hit a certain threshold, like 100 kilometers or something, it switches to gas.
This is perfect for you.
I know. I know.
Why didn't you tell me about this?
I don't know.
After all of our conversations about Broncos,
it's nice.
you're just saying because the Bronco looks cooler.
I mean, the Bronco has a more modern design,
Yeah.
Yeah.
which I do like.
Yeah. It just feels a little more fresh. But that's also one of the benefits of this thing is that it never, like,
It's iconic.
a tried and true kind of.
Yeah.
You're never going to get sick of it because it's a shape that's been around forever. I don't know, Will, with the electric aspect, you get a little bit of electric, a little bit of gas, because you want just one vehicle for everything, summer, winter.
I would like to, yes.
This is a pretty good one.
Holy cow.
This seems like the right fit, right?
Holy cow, because you can take the roof off in the summer
Ooh.
Yeah. My hair flying.
Yeah.
if you want and have like a kind of summery feel. And then in the winter, you got four-wheel drive
Yeah.
and you're all set. Are these available, though?
Yeah, they're available in Canada.
God.
No, I mean like stock. Like how long do you have to wait?
I haven't checked on that, but they are nice.
What a development is taking place
I
here.
did my research.
Have you spec'd one on the website yet?
Yeah.
What?
But,
This is amazing.
What?
This is some heavy.
Is there a car that you haven't spec'd?
Yeah, no, he doesn't spec. He doesn't listen. He doesn't spec frivolously. He specs, it's for real. Oh my God. This guy with this, when he's doing the building, oh my God. If he's going to do it, it's aggressive the way he's going to do it.
Yeah. I get really
So this SUV has no name, but it'll be purely battery electric. So unlike the hybrid,
Right.
even the hybrid that Will needs, this is the one I'm pumped about. I want to see what
this?
they do with the Ram.
Oh, is this the Ram truck?
Electric truck, yeah.
Oh,
I want to see what they do with that. I mean, look at the front of it. Whoa.
Have they released more teaser pictures?
I think
This
there's
is very similar to the first
no,
one.
they're being very vague about it. But they say they're going to electrify most of their brands. Scroll up a little bit there, Will, including the 1500 pickup and an electric Dodge muscle car. So that'll be like the Challenger, but
Right,
electric.
right.
Which
That could be fun.
I like those classic kind of
The
shapes
classic
sometimes.
looks, the mean.
Although
Hard
the
angles.
electric truck looks like they're going more futuristic than Ford, right? Because Ford kept roughly like the truck shape,
Right.
and then just a few.
You can see it on the job site tomorrow.
But it has some accents that if you know what you're looking for, like that's the electric one. This, if you look at these teasers, it seems like it's gonna have a distinctive shape,
Yeah, it's gonna have more of a statement.
unlike the other ones. Kind of maybe more like what GM did with the Hummer truck or something.
I like the lights at the back. They look cool.
So you're into it.
I'm into it. I'm excited.
So
to
that
see
you're
what
getting
they're
that
gonna do.
one.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, this is a teaser. I got no information.
No, I know, but you can throw Kovu in there.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of lifestyle you got going on, but in the winter, heading up north,
Yeah. Long drive. EV.
I don't.
I wonder what the mileage is gonna be though.
No, for you.
It will be
For you.
too much.
No.
I'm doing what? Roughly like
You're fine.
yeah.
You're fine.
Okay.
You plug in at night and you're fine.
I'd have to plug in every